Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, but a pretty shaky looking chart because, yes, the price without doubt made a huge move upwards. Problem is the price then had a very big pullback. Now, was it a total crash? No, it wasn't a crash, but it was still a really big pullback. So it's more than valid to kind of be confused in the sense of, I don't know, is this a good chart? Is this a bad chart? You know, bullish or bearish? What's going on here? And for me, there's a very important level going forward. And this is what I would definitely call a must-hold level. And that level sits right here at $5.20. Why is this such an important area? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but it'll help for explanation's sake. But let's say that the price does come down to $5.20, and then it gets down there, and then it just continues on down. What would you have at this point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $5.20. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price decides it wants to start to head back up, where are these levels of resistance at? Main level of resistance that stands out if there is going to be any sort of chance at returning back up to the highs, you know, up in the 640s. So before we really talk about anything in regard to the 640s, price first has to, you know, get up above that level right there at about $5.95. I suppose let's just round it up to that $6 mark. That would still make sense. So $6 certainly that first key level. But yeah, if the price can work its way up there, get a high volume break of there, at that point it would make a whole lot more sense to think that the price has a chance at 640s. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the chart's definitely looking a little shaky right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.